Hi friends. Hey, it's always great to update you on how my book's coming, DIY Calm, 101 Ways to Go Instantly from Anxiety to Calm. And today we have the number 3 technique, which is called the anxiety spin. Wanted to update you. I've been posting these on Wattpad, and you can read them there until the book is published at a later time. Now, this anxiety spin is a really interesting method to change the energy within you. And it's a method I learned from David Snyder. It finds the anxiety inside you, removes the energy from your physical body, then reverses its spin to change that negative energy. And now, when you've reversed the negative energy to positive, you slam it back into your body to feel the change. Then you can try to get the original feeling back, but you either can't get it back at all, or maybe you can get a little back, but it's totally changed, it's shifted. It might look a little silly to you, but just go to a private place to do it, because I guarantee you it's so effective that you'll want to use this to find relief. So let's give it a try here. Allow that anxiety to come up as strong as you can. Feel the thought in your mind strongly. Allow it to run through your body, the negative feelings, the way your body reacts to it. Really let it run through your emotional body. Now point to the place where you feel anxiety. If you can point to it, you can change it. Yeah, just point to it. And now use your hands as if you're pulling out that feeling of anxiety. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, and pull it out until you've pulled it completely out, and then maybe just a little bit more, because sometimes it's sneaky and it tries to move or it tries to hide. Now imagine holding all that energy you pulled out in your hands. Yeah, feel which way it's spinning. Mine's counterclockwise this way. So now grab it and force it the other direction. Now force it faster, 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 so fast it's a blur, so fast it can never go back to what it was. And when you got it that way, you got it. Now slam it back into your body in the same place you pulled it out of. And breathe. Some emotion might come up. Just breathe through that, experience it. Now try to get that anxiety back. No, you can't do it. Not the same way you could before. This is super effective. Super effective. I hope you'll try it today. Great. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more of them, please subscribe to my blog or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just follow me along. We've got a bunch more of these DIY Calm techniques to do together. Bye, friends.